Mitch, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Dwayne, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Tell me to calm down. Look all around us here. Fall. It's easy to see from down here. If I'm not swinging, then the war is won. Caught before I'm falling for it all in front of us.
Dwayne and Mitch, do not forget to pray, stay positive in life, enjoy your work, and be generous in time, talent, and treasure to God. Amen.
You're right in front of me with the answer, with the answer. Sun and dotted line.
My son and daughter, kailangan pag mayroong problema, solusyonan yung mabuti kayong dalawa. Walang ibang mamamagitan. Hindi kaming mga magulang ang mamamagitan sa inyo, kundi kayong dalawa lamang. Magmahalan kayong mabuti.
Edwin and Michelle, sana hindi kayong pamiyable. Makalibutan niyo yung Lord. Kalaburan na kayo.
Kaya kayo, anak ko, dakala-dakala, salamat. Yung pangarapan ko kayo, hindi ko kakamit ko lahat.
Dwayne, Michelle, sana magsama kayo ng mabuti. Kung mayroon kayong problema, pag-usapan nyo lang. Maraming salamat sa iyong mga anak.
Suot mo ang singsing nito sa tanda ng aking pagmamahal at katapatan sa iyo.
Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ang Banal na Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Palakpakan natin ang bagong kasal, si Dwayne and Mitch. Congratulations!